I found the Driftworks boy band.
Lucky you.
What are we doing?
So this is part 3 of the E30 build video. Yeah, basically in this part we're just chucking the engine in the hole basically.
Was it as simple as that, Craig? Yeah. Just chuck the engine in the hole?
Pretty much, a little bit more careful with new paint, but yeah. Basically
we've kind of done it before, so
it's been in. It was basically put it back in job, so very straightforward.
Enjoy.
There you go.
Yep.
Sweet.
Privileged spot this is.
Yeah.
This is where real customers go. Normally.
Not that grotty corner.
Yeah, not the shitty corner.
Hang on, this was the Corolla build ramp, to be fair.
Yeah, that's true. In fact, yeah, that's the last time one of my cars went on this ramp, isn't it? Was the
Because you can probably still see the dust on the floor from it.
Fucking hell, that's set wide, isn't it? That ramp. That's cool.
Yeah.
You're excited?
Loving it. Can't wait.
Make sure you stab your leg, your shin,
that's coming off right
and your
now,
calves as many times as you can. Because I've done it once already.
Oh. It's coming off right now.
Yeah.
Well, that's all very exciting.
Yeah, it's all go. At a casual summer rate, obviously.
Yeah. Working, but not too quickly to get a sweat.
We don't get too much of this, so you know.
It's pleasant.
You can't work too hard.
Why are you swearing, Craig?
Because there's about four more boxes like this of random stuff that we've got to sort out.
A wise man once told me when disassembling a car, you should label and bag and box everything neatly and in organised piles to make rebuilding much easier.
Well, I know where everything goes, it's just there's a lot of it to do.
Here's more.
More boxes.
Does it feel like Christmas?
Sort of.
If Christmas Day you get loads of work to do, yeah?
Yeah. One more, Craig?
One more. One to the pallet?
Yeah.
What's that now?
Crap. More crap.
Brilliant.
Well, they're nice and blue. What are they for?
Well, they won't be going on it, don't worry.
Don't worry, not a fan.
No.
And then that's the gear linkage, isn't it, with the new NRG, not gear linkage.
Steering linkage, yeah.
Sieve.
Yeah. Yeah, it's quite nice because it's these mounting to into the car on the thing, and that's the little stub.
So this is the new NRG short hub. So it's an S14 end, isn't it? So you got a
S14 shaft and put it into the chrome molly tube.
So it'll mean the quick release will just go straight on.
Yeah, which is really nice, particularly for this, which does need it, you know, the indicator stalks and that on it for that.
Oh well, this one doesn't look as big.
No, that's
It's a baby one. It's fine.
Yeah.
Your lovely exhaust.
That's now here going to be changed.
No, this bit's fine.
That bit's fine.
This bit's staying.
Just the back box you don't like now.
Yeah.
It's like an adult Lego Technics, isn't it?
Yeah, I like Lego.
Do you like Lego?
Yeah, I like Lego, yeah.
You're a fan of Lego?
No. He likes rotaries, he's straight. Right?
Are you staying here and helping?
Hopefully not.
So this is just a V8. It's superseded your little wankle things.
Done. Goes broom.
Goes broom?
Yeah.
Do you remember where everything
Craig
went?
goes broom.
Not quite.
Yeah, we're nearly repaired.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we got it on the wrong side of the engine mounts first, so it was sticking out here looking like an Audi.
Looking like an Audi?
Yeah.
To be
Is
fair,
that an insult?
I was stood here no more than, what, 2 hours ago, and this wasn't in here.
Yeah. It's all been together before, that's the main thing.
That's why you do it.
Yeah.
Oh, phone. So now what are you going to do, Craig? finish it.
Throw a load of stuff in.
Let's get it ready for
Start
Coventry
it.
Motor Fest.
Look, I mean, luckily
Do a
most
sprint.
of it's
It's on the Alcon stand at Coventry.
Do you know what you're next to at the Alcon stand?
Roger Clark car, apparently.
The new
what?
Gobstopper 3.
You know what I've just started filling on the form online though?
What?
You can do the sprint.
Yeah, so you're going to
Sprint's
do
all
it in the
open.
GT3?
I might do it.
Excellent.
I might do it in the Corolla.
Yeah, cool. Yeah, this is not going to be ready.
Not gonna be that ready.
Yeah,
Okay.
we got is that 2 weeks already?
It's 26 days.
Yeah, so no.
Not long at all.
I'm
Bear in
not.
mind
I'm
there's no
not going to
EC or
take.
loom or wiring
I'm not going to
or-
take this and crash it at Coventry Motor Fest.
You're going to do the sprint in the M2?
No,
What are you going to do the sprinting?
nothing.
Why? You're just going to be a
I'm not
spectator?
doing stuff like that this year.
You're not,
Concentrating on this.
but you're going to be there in this, watching everyone else do it? You might as well take something else.
I'll go around in the truck.
Yeah. Sorted.
Yay!
Yay, go sports team.
Go
Go
teams.
sports teams.
What is that?
Black.
Why?
E36 top mount.
Why is it black?
Green against the blue.
yeah.
I don't know. Like, yeah.
That would look awful.
I love my HSD monopros, but they're yeah, green top mounts because they're mounted on top of the turret instead of underneath like normal.
Yes.
It's a massive bit of green.
So let's take a step back. You're running HSDs on
Yeah,
on this then.
Yeah, E36 monopros basically on the front, and then the rear's basically like a coilover converted E36 rear with compact brackets.
Oh, okay.
So we do compact
What?
brackets.
Because I'm guessing this is going to be heavier than a normal E30. Are you changing the spring rates?
The back's not going to be heavier really.
Yeah.
But I do want to run it stiff. Yeah, so we'll see. I'm going to play about with that like I normally do.
What
once
have
I've
you
driven the
provisionally
car.
gone for on this?
So I don't know what's on here at the moment, but I reckon I'll probably be starting off maybe 14, maybe,
Oh, okay.
maybe 12
Quite stiff
on the
then.
front. I don't know.
You can, if you were a normal customer, you could just spec these up with lots of different spring
Is
rates.
this your insert advert here?
Insert,
moment?
insert, insert commercial here.
Yes, we now supply HSDs with a variety of different springs, so you can choose
And
choose on the
lengths as
website.
well.
Yeah.
So that's really good.
Yeah, which has become really popular, and the coilover conversion for E36 has been really popular as well.
So that's good. So how is the rest of the car coming on then?
It's awesome. There's an engine in. We're just about to start doing the suspension. Craig's just putting the steering rack in, the Manuel steering rack.
These look really nice. I know they're always black, but it just it's all the little accents now.
It's in the brackets though, or the brackets. We're doing the brackets in black.
Did the engine go back in okay?
Straight in, no problem.
Straight in.
Yeah.
It's like you've done this before.
Look at these lovely engine mounts that have been made and everything. And
Oh,
because Craig's basically doing a lot of stuff here, he's going through and just obviously double checking that everything's been tightened.
so
by
why have
marking
you put a yellow line on it?
to market that? If you'd have stopped interrupting me
Sorry.
and listened to what I was saying, then that yellow mark is to say that that's done up and he doesn't need to worry about it.
Oh, okay.
But if you do like big projects like this, if you're doing like, ow, sorry, you know, we put the front end, back end in, and sometimes like the prop bolt, for instance, I can't get to the top prop bolt, so leave that and I've like zip clipped there, so I know it's not in. Rather than putting it in and thinking, oh, it's half tight, leave it out or in. And everything we do, like the steering, everything, if we like yellow mark pen it, then as I walk around and go, that's done. And then if you're ever not sure, you look and think, well, if it's not painted, I haven't done it.
Clever.
You know, you don't have to do it on all there, but it's just
No, you don't
when
know
you
on
go
wheel
on
nuts and
such a
stuff
big
like
build
that.
like this, it's just for me own.
Because the last thing you want to do is leave just 3 bolts in your prop, isn't it?
yeah.
Absolutely.
Best thing to do is just go around like that and just start a yellow mark and everything.
No.
Draw penises on everything like Dan's done on mine.
So
Nasty,
and these
nasty.
like these steering we're going to lock wire these as well, just because you know.
Oh, they got holes in the little nut.
I've just drilled them so we can do it. Cause if we can't get the bolts in from the top down, which I'd like to have done, but so I just do them in Loctite on a bit lock wire as well.
And how is the rear looking?
It's good. Yeah, it's not quite mounted up fully yet, but we're just about to create the coilovers for it because it might need to be. We might need to run an even shorter damper than normal.
Oh,
so
right,
I'm going to
okay.
mock it all up. So I'm going to, but it's a coilover converted system that we're using, but I'm going to set it up with no springs to start off with, and then just basically jack the wheel up into the arch to work out where the bump stop needs to be.
Did you do that originally?
Yeah, I've done that before. I mean, there is a lot of clearance on this, but I just want to make sure that getting your bump stops in the right place is important, as is getting the right spring rate so you don't have to hit the bump stop until the absolute worst bump.
Will this have, I know on my S15 under compression the wheels go in with the camber gain. Are you going to have this?
That's on these is the worst that you can get usually on a lowered E30 M3. They camber in and toe gain so badly, but that's why we've made the adjustable beam axle, so that's been raised up in the car and we can actually adjust that, which means that we can change its bump steer characteristics.
Oh, that's clever.
So yeah, that'll be going up quite high. And then the other trick that they do with the race cars, it's not a trick, it's just running really stiff spring rates. So it
Just
stops
stop
it
it
from
altogether.
moving too much. But I don't want it to be too harsh because I want it to be comfortable to drive fast.
Yeah.
We'll see. Yeah, we've done all the reinforcement on this now, which I don't think was there the last time. So
No.
there's a reinforced bar up the top of the arms here. And then there's another one here. It's basically just triangulating this point because you can imagine the forces here with running grippy wide tyres, which I wouldn't normally run. That's actually a flex point.
No.
So yeah, we've done that and sort of made sure we've got all the clearance that we need to go right up to the top there as well. Yeah, and we've got the eccentric bolts obviously for this, which aren't necessarily ideal because sometimes they can move, but
Can you
we'll
weld
see
them
how
in?
we get on with them.
Do you weld them in once they're done?
No, you
Just tack
shouldn't
them?
need to. We'll see how it goes. If the alignment does change with hard use, we'll come up with another plan.
What are these for? I've just noticed this.
That's for anti-roll bar mount, that is, yeah.
So you can move it.
Yeah, so the blade type are just for anti-roll bar mount that we've done. That's for those.
And then these are for the ramp angles on the diff, aren't they?
Yeah, so when the diff, we change the diff height with spacers here. Again, it's not bolted up at the moment, so it's got adjustment on these collars here, so we can push the whole frame, the beam up and down, and then we set the spacers there, and then orientate those to get it right as well, so it's all properly rigid. It's going to make a right row.
So this is Gaz. Have you been on camera before?
He's put his best clothes on ready.
Yeah, he likes to get dressed up when he comes around here. Right, you want to slot this in?
Looking like a car.
Yeah. I mean, it's done enough to get to Coventry Motor Fest, isn't it? Just park it there.
I'll do some struts and some wheels on it maybe, and some brakes and stuff. Minor detail.
Dipstick. Your dipstick.
This is a success then, hopefully.
So thanks for watching everyone, I hope you enjoyed. Obviously there's lots of parts to the series of this build and we'll continue to do more as we go along, so make sure you're subscribed if you want to check out more.
And any questions, drop them in the comments below and Phil will be happy to answer. So thank you for watching.
Cheers.